The windmill needs to be oiled again. I've heard it squealing a couple of times throughout the day. It's very, very windy today. This windmill is not designed properly. The blades sit on a ball bearing, but there's something wrong with the ball bearing. It's extremely stiff. It's so stiff that the ball bearing just spins on the shaft as if it was a sleeve bearing, which is stupid. When I first put it out there, it just squeaked a little bit. When I first put it out there, it squeaked a lot, and so I put some oil in between the shaft and the inside of the bearing so that the bearing can freely spin on the shaft as opposed to the bearing spinning normally. And I didn't think that was going to last very long, but surprisingly it lasted 4 or 5 months easy. So I'm just going to go out there and do the same thing and hope it lasts a couple more months. It might take some time though, because I'm going to have to wait for the wind to die down a reasonable amount before I can stop the blade, because that thing's pretty heavy, and if it's going a couple hundred RPM like it will be at certain parts of today, that can be kind of dangerous. So I'm going to get the ladder out, I'll get the oil out, and we'll go outside, and hopefully the wind will die down just for a minute or two at some point, and then we can oil the shaft again. I suppose I don't really need the ladder anyways. That should be good. The stakes are working a bit loose. I'm going to have to hammer those back in. Good, much quieter now. It's running a lot faster now. Wow.